Hi, this is Sam and welcome to Screen Hack Friday episode 4, where today we're going to talk about the different options for customizing your screens. In ScreenCloud, you can find the app theme editor. Using this, you can customize your apps to use your brand colors and fonts. Once you've created your theme, you can then customize your apps with just one click, like your Twitter and your social media, to use your brand colors and styles. If there's room in your brand guidelines, a great tip is to use two contrasting colors to really highlight any notices, news, or apps that you're using on your screens. This could be a light with a dark contrast. You could also use complementary colors, which are high contrast, or colors with contrasting temperatures, like warm orange and an icy blue, all of which will make your notices and feeds stand out on screen. The best way to create a cohesive digital signage strategy is to use the same apps, themes, or colors throughout. For example, you could create a template in Google Slides using your brand colors, which means that every other notice you create will follow the same format. You could also create an anchor slide before each piece of content that links together all of the apps that you're using. Even just using the same font all the way through is a really great way to make sure all of your content looks really slick and on brand. Or why not show the logo in the corner of every screen? Using our custom zoning, you can have your logo consistently show on every piece of content. That's it for this episode. Be sure to subscribe here on YouTube for more Screen Hack Friday episodes. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.